Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Okay, so if you saw my video from this morning, you will see that what I did was I set up a load of sell orders, limit orders, to sell some odd bits of crypto that I had on my crypto.com app. Just to clarify this, because I know a friend of mine was a bit confused yesterday because he logged into what he thought was the crypto.com desktop version, which it actually wasn't. It was the exchange. And he expected to see the assets that were on his crypto.com app in the exchange. That's not how it works. You will see in the crypto.com app that you can move stuff to the crypto.com exchange, and the crypto.com exchange will have the same login as the app on your phone. So just realize that the exchange, the crypto wallet, the crypto earn, the crypto supercharger, and something else that I've forgotten, they're all separate places within crypto.com. I know it's a little bit confusing, but once you get your head around it, it's all pretty good, really. But I mean, gradually I'm stopping using crypto.com earn quite a lot because the rates have just gone down quite a lot. But I do enjoy getting the 5% back. Well, I did enjoy getting the 5% back on the rose gold card, but that's getting cut down to 3% now. It's still not bad, but until I find a better alternative, I'm probably going to keep using that. But the alternative might be Utrust, so that's why I'm quite keen on what I'm going to do today. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you what happened. So basically, the link, the CRO, and the ETH trades, they all filled. That's all cool. The holochain one isn't quite filled yet. It's only filled partially. So I think I'm going to leave that though, because the price of it seems to be fluctuating all over the place, and we're not talking tons of money there. So if that becomes available later on, I'll probably use it to add to my position. But what I want to do is get started with the Utrust eGold farming on the Maiar DEX. So what I've got now, if I look at my balance, I should see that the USD value of my USDT is $2,241, and which is it's quite a cool amount, because that's what I normally start off with when I'm doing stuff on the DEX. But the USDT isn't what I need. I need some eGold. So to do that, I'm going to go to Markets and search for EGLD. There you go, eGold USDT. Now, it's not down quite as much as I'd like it to be, but in fact, sod it, I'm just going to do a market buy. So I'm just going to go market, going to buy eGold, maximum amount. So that'll be 28.48 for eGold. I might wait for the next red candle. Okay, 78.52. I'm going to go for it. Insufficient available balance. Let's try that again. Why is it saying that? Okay, well, that seemed to work that time. So looks like it might be all right. And the price has gone up a little bit since then, so that's good. Right, okay, so now I've got eGold. So yeah, I've got 28.36 eGold. So I'm going to withdraw that to the external address, which I'm hoping I have Maiar. Yeah, I've got the Maiar app in there, which is cool. Okay, so that's good. Withdraw all. Review withdrawal. All looks good. I need the SMS, which means I need to find my phone. Oh, there it is. Okay, which is... Okay, that's that. Then I need the 2FA as well. Okay, so that says success. Yeah, I mean, if this holochain sells meanwhile, then I'll probably add that into the mix as well. But for now, yeah, what I want to see is that eGold appear over in the Maiar app. I've also got a little bit that I can take from the earn as well, which is just the some eGold I've got that's regularly staked in the Maiar app. Which, by the way, if you don't want to get involved with the DEX and all that sort of stuff, and you've got eGold, I do think it's worth putting it into the Maiar app, because you can get like 13, sometimes 14% APR. So it's all really cool. And then when you get one eGold in earnings, you can reinvest it into the same staking provider that you're using there anyway. But that's for another video. If you're interested in me talking more about that, do leave a comment in the comments. So okay, so it's 10:52 now, so I'm probably going to go over to the Maiar app. I probably won't video that, but what I'll do is I'll also claim the earnings that I've got there, which I think is about one eGold. So I should have 20 something eGold to do the UTK experiment with when it goes live in about 7 minutes. Okay, so I'll see you over there. And for any of you interested in why I'm interested in Utrust, it's because I think it's quite cool. I'm actually using their merchant account so that I can charge my clients just for the normal work I do. I can charge them in crypto, which is very cool. They can pay with, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Elrond, anything like that. I'll show you in another video, but you basically set a price in dollars. So say they've agreed to pay like $350 for my service, then when they look at the link that I send them, it will say that's this much in eGold or whatever, and then they do the transaction. The only thing I don't like about it is the way it works is at the end of the month, it turns that crypto back into fiat, in my case euros, and puts it into my French bank account, which is at the moment the last thing I want to happen. I'd rather it just stayed as crypto, or even got turned into Utrust, because I also have one of these things as well. I've got a hold card. I haven't used it yet because it's actually in England and I'm in France at the moment, but it has arrived, and that card, you can use that to just buy stuff in a regular shop or whatever, and you can load the card up with various cryptos, like Bitcoin and Utrust, that kind of thing. And depending on the level of staking you've got on the card, I've currently got 20,000 Utrust on there, so it means every time I buy something, I get 1.5% back in Utrust, which is pretty cool. Now I think that's all going to change a little bit. The tiers are going to change, and you'll probably need more Utrust or something to do anything worthwhile. But it is the sort of thing where I'm quite interested in it, because I think that's what I used to do with like crypto.com, but their cards are becoming less attractive at the moment. So I'm just thinking Utrust is a really good possible alternative to it all. So for me, it's something I'm going to use. It's not like Holoride, which I will never use myself, because I'm probably not going to buy a brand new Audi. I did have an Audi once, but it was a 23-year-old A6, which was a lot of fun, but that was an old car, and I can't see myself getting a new Audi. I don't think that's ever going to happen. So yeah, for me, this Utrust is something that I'm probably going to end up using one way or another, either as a merchant or as just a regular personal person using my card. Anyway, I'll follow up with how to set up the liquidity and the farming in the next video. So please do make sure you're subscribed. You've got notifications on all. Leave a nice comment anyway. Definitely give the video a like, and above all, tell your friends.